let's scalp. Alright guys, it's Chris with The Lawn and Life. My son Brody back. First cut of the year, this is a scalp. The reason we like to scalp is, actually let me show you why. The reason we like to scalp is, I'm starting to have, which is hard to tell, let's see if you can find a few sprigs.
Right here?
A few sprigs starting to pop up.
Right here.
So you have all this new grass starting to come up with springtime. You have all that dead grass that was basically shading it. So it would just take longer for that green grass to come up over all that dead grass. So as you can tell, what we did is we went over the grass, had it at my lowest setting on my Honda, and then we would come back over it 2 or 3 times and bag it. So as you see in the video, we dumped it probably 5 or 6 times, got all those clippings up. So what this should do, I'm gonna be fertilizing also. It's gonna make all that green new grass come up really fast. So what I'm gonna do next on my next video is I'm gonna be putting down some 10-10-10 fertilizer. Hadn't had time to get a soil test like I wanted to this year, so I generally like to put a 10-10-10 down. You know, Doc recommends that as well. And I'm gonna try this for the first time this year. So what I'm gonna do, there's been kind of mixed reaction on this. I've read a lot of good reviews, and a lot of people say snake oil, but I like a lot of Doc's videos, so I'm gonna try it out. I haven't really fertilized it yet this year, so it's very
right here,
very slow growing, but
here.
We're gonna put an application down tomorrow. But anyway, like I said, so all this dead grass being up, all that new grass is going to come up a whole lot faster because it's not being shaded and having to fight to get over all that dead grass. All right guys, I appreciate you watching. Click subscribe, like the video if you do. I know I'm not that good at editing right now. I'm trying to get better at this, but I appreciate you watching either way. Shout out to Connor Ward, the Lawn Rebel. Appreciate the shirt. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.